welcome to the calculator section. The fun part about the calculator section is you may need a calculator, you may not. And I have a feeling with this one, I won't need it. Given the function represented by the table above, what is the average rate of change between x equals 3 and x equals 7? Well, I have x and f of x. And the rate of change formula is f of b minus f of a over b minus a. You would be an a, you would be a b. So what I have to do is find out f of 7 minus f of 3 over 7 minus 3. F of 7 is 13. F of 3 is 7. 7 minus 3 is 4. 13 minus 7 is 6. And 6 over 4 simplifies to 3 over 2, which I didn't even have to do because 6 over 4 was an option. Interesting. I wonder why. But yeah, I mean, no calculator needed. You could have used one, but yeah, this one was fine without one. Hope this helps.